Planning a trip, especially international, here's how to travel smarter and safer. Make sure you have a way to stay connected while traveling. Get an eSIM or check your carrier plans and make sure you have connection along the way. While traveling, stay up to date with local news from the area that you're traveling in, and also regularly check the embassy for any updates. Every trip starts with research. The US State Department website can be a great go-to. Travel.state.gov for visa requirements, local conditions, and areas you should avoid. Understand local customs and culture. This can be a great way to immerse yourself and also make sure that none of your behavior is looked at as inappropriate where you're traveling to. Make sure you have a backup of important documents like your passport. Keep a secure copy somewhere you can access if your passport goes missing. Enroll in STEP, the Smart Traveler Enrollment Program. This service provides real-time safety alerts and allows you to stay connected to the US Embassy. Smart travel always begins way before you even purchase your plane tickets. Even if you're a seasoned traveler, stay up to date on travel advisories as your trip approaches. Don't assume that a destination is safe, even if it's a popular tourist spot. Always choose caution. Even popular areas can be targets for scams and pickpockets. Preparation is all it takes to be safe and travel with confidence. Breezing through TSA starts before you even get to the airport. Pre-check or not, better travel starts before security. And if you don't have pre-check, look into it. It makes things way easier. Empty your pockets ahead of time. Phone, wallet, keys. And don't wear a belt. Aren't we all wearing athleisure anyways? Any metal accessories, just remove before you even get in line. Huh? Headphones, earbuds, save the vibes for after security. All I keep in my pocket is this. Most airports, you just need your ID. No need to scan your boarding pass yet. New authentication technology makes things efficient, but you have to be prepared. Don't hold up the line. This will help create less stress for you and other travelers. Everyone hates it when you have to check a carry-on, but every time the airlines will make the announcement, boom, bin space is full, we need to start checking bags. Here's how to get your carry-on to fit. Many people don't seem to know the right way to load an overhead bin. They just grab the handle, throw it up there any which way, and it eats up all the room. Long is wrong. Let me show you the right way to save space for you and everyone else. Wheels first and on the side. If the item is shallow enough, stand it up tall. Don't waste all that vertical space. And this is good advice for all kinds of packing. In small bags, under the seat, please. And save the jackets, put them up after takeoff. Keep those essentials with you to avoid needing to access the bins during your flight. And no open totes. Always keep those valuables and necessities with you, not checked. On most modern mainline jets, if everyone packs the bin correctly, there should be enough room for each person to have a carry-on. On the side, we all ride. With a little consideration, we can all enjoy the flight. I'm preparing for a Disney trip, so I wanted to share with you all my theme park essentials. Choose the right park bag, lightweight and not too bulky. The bag chooses the wizard. Hot days need a way to cool down, like a portable neck fan, or cooling towels and reusable ice rings and no batteries required. I love this facial spray, it's cooling and refreshing. Lightweight, travel-size sunscreen. Theme parks are full of germs, so hand sanitizer and sanitizing wipes. And Band-Aids for blisters. And medications for headaches, muscle pain, and heartburn. You'll be using your phone a lot to navigate the park and capture memories. Charge your backup battery and bring a cord just in case. A packable poncho for unexpected weather. It's great for water rides too. And an extra pair of socks. Trust me, when you need them, you'll be glad you have them. Comfortable walking shoes, they'll make all the difference. A compact water bottle with a secure lid. Leave those big quenchers at home. Since many parks have moved to paper straws, bring reusables to save the pain. Just make sure you don't throw it away. And always check the weather leading up to your trip. And an AirTag can't hurt. Which ride did I leave my bag on? All you need to do is pack the bare necessities. I have a beach trip coming up and I'm giving my prep a little test drive. These are some of my favorite tips for a fun day in the sand. A fitted sheet can make the perfect beach blanket. Just make sure you have 4 sturdy items to secure each corner. This setup keeps everything at your fingertips and the sand out. For sandy feet, there's that plastic bag trick, but these are flimsy and end up being trash on the beach. These are so unreliable. Better yet, bring a collapsible bucket. These are compact, sturdy, and versatile for a beach day. Dip, dip, and I like to keep a towel nearby. Practice your yoga poses. And it's great to transport items to the beach and back. Another trick to get sand off skin, cornstarch. You also need an old but clean sock. Let's fill this up and secure it with a knot. Rub this on sandy legs and feet and it'll erase sand away. And store this in a container or reusable bag. Our defenses are strong against all sand. I can see clearly now that the sand is gone. Here's a trick to quickly adjust your eyes on a bright sunny day. First, just close your eyes. Angle your face towards the sun, keep those eyes closed. Just a few seconds will help those eyes adjust to the bright light. Even bright days with sunglasses on. This also helps when you're taking photos to avoid the squint. Back to my sand-free vacation.